Hello guys, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, students. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Have you seat?
Thank you, teacher. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine.
Dear students, Mr. Nafis, have you had your breakfast?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Pratham? Yes. Mr. Sajjad?
Oh yes.
Okay. Today's topic is everyday English. Everyday speaking English. So dear students, open day 4. Everyday speaking 4. Okay. Suppose you do a work and anyone hold up your work, then you said don't hold up the work. Its Bengali meaning is kaje bada dio na. Then he answered you that okay, it will be so, or I am doing that. Next here, don't talk nonsense. Anyone talk with you roughly, then you said him that don't talk nonsense. Its Bengali meaning is bok bok koro na. Then he answered you, okay, it will be so. Next, don't be silly. Its Bengali meaning is bokami koro na. Next, don't copy other. Its Bengali meaning is onner nakal koro na.